Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for those who have experience, thanks for helping to answer the questions, okay? Because I don't really have time to see the questions, but on and off, I'll come and have a look at the questions, okay? Right, because there's many things I want to share with you today, right? So now, the next thing which I want to share with you is that this is something that we always use most of the time for our trading, okay? We are an RSI expert. I can tell you, most people always use RSI the wrong way. Now, let me explain what is RSI. Okay, the RSI is a popular momentum indicator used in trading to measure the speed and magnitude of price movement. Okay, it helps trader identify whether it's overbought or oversold. Like if you see the line over here, 70, that means overbought. Overbought means what? Overbought means too many people buy. When there's too many people buy, that means that it's overbought. That means the price will start to come back down. It cannot be one-way line. There'll be buyer and seller, right? So there are people who take profit. When they start to TP, the price will start to come down. Okay, when the people start to TP, sell, when it becomes oversold, that means too many people sell. When too many people sell, there'll be people who will start to buy because the price is very attractive. Right? So that means oversold. When it's oversold, people want to buy, that means the price may go up. All right. So this is how most people use it, right? To catch the reversal. Okay, but you know what? Most people always use this wrongly. Right? They always think that as long as it's over 70, you can go and sell. It will come down. As long as it's over 30, below 30, you can buy and you'll go up. Let me ask you, for those who do use RSI before, is this true or not? Is this true or not? All right. It may be true to a certain extent, but not 100%. Correct or not? Yeah. It doesn't mean that oversold. It means that you will definitely go up. No. So let me show you the correct way. The correct way of using this. And when you know how to use this, you know what? You are able to see your future. Guys, do you want to have your own magic crystal ball now? They will show you exactly what's going to happen next now. Yes or no? If yes, please go to the chat and let me know. All right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Now, most people, let me show you how to have your own magic crystal ball. Now, most traders, they stick to drawing the SNR, the support and resistance, and the trend line on where? On the price, on the chart. Correct or not? So most people, they draw on the chart. What you want to do, instead of drawing on the chart, you know what? You draw on the RSI. When you draw the support resistance or the trend line on the RSI, you unlock a whole new level of prediction. Because drawing SNR and trend line on the RSI give you early clues about the price movement. What is going to happen before it happens. Right? You want to see it or not? Let me show you. Okay, now, very simple. The RSI you're using is a traditional RSI. It's a normal simple RSI. Okay, so go to indicator. This is a trading view, guys. This is a trading view. If you want to learn about technical, you need to download trading view, okay. So this is indicator. Go and search RSI. Then you can see this relative strength index. Click on this. All right, and then you can see the. Let me just hide this first. Okay, just ignore the one on top. Okay, so you can see this is the RSI. Let me just do some adjustment. Okay, go to setting. Now, there's only one thing we must do. Okay, number one is that the source, instead of using close, I like to use OHLC. OHLC. All right, now, why? Close means when the candle close. Close means when this candle, when the candle close, then the RSI is formed. Right? OHLC means when the OHLC means open, high, low, close. That means that when the candle is running, the price is running, the RSI already plotting. So it's more real time. Okay, so I prefer this, all right? Especially for people who are trading, all right? So go and click OHLC. Next one, go to style, all right? I want to put it thicker so easier for you guys to see, all right? And then the RSI, this one, the RSI MA is very important. Usually I have to change to orange, so easier to see. I will thicken the line also, easier for you to see. All right, okay. So for this, that's all. Okay, that's all. All right, that's all. Okay, no more other changes. The rest of it are default. All right. Okay, so for now, I will just remove the RSI MA first, the MA. The MA means the moving average of the RSI. Okay, it's a 14-day moving average of the RSI. Okay, let me just off it first. So this is how the RSI looks like. Okay, so let me just remove this because I've already prepared the RSI. Okay, so now very simple. Now, as I said, you know what you want to do is that instead of drawing the SNR on the chart, we draw SNR where? On the RSI. Okay, so very simple. If you look at this right now, what you can do is you can draw you can see all this red line. These are the resistance and the support. Every time when you see a peak, let's just say right now over here, you see a peak, you just draw across. So this is the resistance. This is the resistance. You can see over here, all right? Let me just make it bigger. All right, so this is the resistance over here. Okay, at the peak only just draw, that's all. And at the bottom, the peak at the bottom, just one peak here, you just draw. So what we're going to do is very simple. We only need to wait for the RSI to either go up, okay, cross VD. Then what we do? What do we do when we cross up? Long, we buy. This is go H1, 1 hour, go 1 hour, all right? Enter already, we buy, all right? But if it start to come down, it break this trend, this support, what do? We buy or sell? We sell. That's all. That's all. Very simple. All right. Just wait. Yes, you can apply the crypto as well. All right. But let me explain first. Okay. So very simple. If you look at this right now, okay, we're just waiting for the price action over here to happen. All right. So let's look at the past. Okay. So right now, let's just say over here, you see, we have this peak at the bottom. This is the support. All right. So at the support, if you look at it right here, okay, it breaks the support. It came down. It breaks the support. So this is where we enter. So the candle is actually very, very small. Okay. So this is the candle that it breaks. So when it breaks, what we do? The next candle, then we enter. We enter a sell, enter a short. Okay, we short here, the beginning of the next candle. You can see it's one candle long. It's one candle. So how many pits is this candle? Okay, let me explain to you. This one, if we short here, goes all the way down. It's 180 pits. Okay, 118, 110 around there. Okay, around there, 118 pits. All right. So how much money can you make from this? Okay, very simple. Let me show you. Let's just say you buy one lot. The ultimate goal of you is to go and buy one lot of gold. One lot, the ultimate goal. All right. So one lot, you know what's the margin required, amount of money required to buy this one lot right now? It is $400. Let's just say $400. Okay, it's $400 margin. Based on 1,000 leverage, okay, it's $400. So you use $400 margin to buy one lot of gold. All right. And if the one lot of gold goes down 111 pit, you know how much money can you make? Make a guess, how much money can you make? Correct. All right. You can make $1,115. You can see the figure is already here. Okay. So within an hour, you can make $1,115 on a $400 margin. Clear already? All right. Let me just continue. All right. Okay. So over here, it breaks already. Then you can see we draw a line, another trend line, a support, but it didn't break. So it went up. So we will draw another resistance on top here. Okay. We'll draw another, excluding. Keith is excluding. All right. So we will draw another resistance over here. Okay. Draw. So when it break, what happened? We enter. All right. We enter. Okay, so we enter, you can see it breaks. Where? Oh, here. It breaks, then we enter here. This is the breaking candle. The next candle we enter. All right, if you look at the next candle you enter, it goes all the way up to 563 pits. 563 pits. If 563 pits, assuming you buy one lot, how much can you make? How much can you make? How much can you make? $5,632. This is excluding commission now, okay? All All right, commission is only $7. $7. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's how. That's why I love forex. All right. It can give you really high return. Of course, if you do wrongly, it can MC margin call your account as well lah. Okay. So let's go continue. All right. Let's just say we go to draw. This one is a resistance, and this is a support. Then go down short. So we short here. Okay, we short here. Short here, went down. Right, 300 pips. Okay, 300 pips, about $3,000. All right. Then after that, where else? If this one as well, this one we've seen already. Okay, this is okay. You see the top, it never breaks. Okay. So all right, then over here, let's have a look at over here. All right, same thing. This is the resistance. When it breaks, we enter here. All right. So when we enter, let's have a look at this. So enter here. This is the place that we, and this is the breaking candle. This is where we enter. If you go all the way up, how much is this? 1,000 pips. Okay, 1,000 pips. Okay, I will talk about reversal, SL, all these things later on, guys. Okay, can or not? All right, I'm talking about entry right now. Okay, we do one step at a time. One step at a time. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to show you some example lah. Okay, all right. So it breaks, it goes up, then this is what you get. All right. Then after that, over here, I try to draw as much as I can. All right. So over here, you can see it breaks as well. So you can actually go lower over here. And same thing goes to here. All right. Same thing goes to here. Like all these things, they never break. All right. So that's why we never short. Okay. We only buy. Okay. So over here, it longs. Over here, okay. Same thing here. It breaks. Then we enter. Okay. This is the breaking candle. So we enter here. Over here. All right. Like $2,600. Okay. So same thing. This one, it breaks here. So over here, when it breaks, how is it? We short. Okay, we short here. A very small candle. Over here. Okay, also about 1,004. All right. Okay. So basically, this is a very basic understanding to tell you that it's easier to trade, all right, on the RSI. To draw it on the RSI instead of drawing on the chart. If you look at the chart right now, it's very hard for you to understand where should you draw. All right. But on the RSI, it's a lot more easier. All you need to do is to look at the peak, the top or the bottom, and that's it. Just draw one straight line. Right? That's all. Right? You can also draw trend line like this. As well. Right? You can touch here, then we break here, then you enter. Okay, you see, enter, then you go up. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Can this be applied to MT4? Yes, you can do it. Of course. We do it MT. Okay. So how I do is that I like to chart on the trading view. Then I go to MT5 and trade. Okay. I don't draw on MT5. You can do that as well. MT4, MT5, you can do that as well. All right. Okay. You can do that as well. Okay. I'll talk about SL later on, guys. Let's talk about one step at a time first. Okay. All right. Okay. So now, yes, it works on all time frame, but of course, the higher the time frame, the better it is. Okay, the more pips you can win, the more profit you can win. If you trade this in minutes, obviously you cannot make thousands of dollars just easily. You can maybe make $200, $300 maybe. But if you want to do thousands, then the higher the time frame, the easier it is for you. Guys, okay? For people who are brand new, I always suggest that you go and do higher time frame. Let me tell you first. Okay, that is always the easiest. Higher win rate. Okay, guys? Okay, now let's continue because there are many things I want to share, right? So now I've shown you how to draw SNR and trend line on the RSI, right? It's like having your own magic crystal ball before it even happens, right? It gives you early clues on what's going to happen, right? And here's the thing. Now, I just teach you the RSI, drawing the support and resistance and trend line on the RSI. It is very, very powerful, right? Right or not, guys? But here's the thing. In case you still don't know how to draw the support and resistance and trend line on the RSI, do you want something even easier now? Do you want something even easier now? Yes, right. Something even easier. I don't know why. Even after I see this so simple, but there's still people who still have some slight problem on drawing the SNR on the RSI. So here's the thing. Let me show you the AEM. AEM is a very powerful method. That means that how do we know a change of direction is coming? Support, resistance, and trend line is to catch the trend. Okay, to catch the trend. The main SNR is to catch the trend. Now, I'm going to show you how to do reversal. It's a lot more easier, okay? Now, what I want to do is that, how do you know a change of trend is coming? It's called RSI crossover. RSI crossover. Now, the crossover method helps you spot the change of momentum. When the RSI crossover, it signals the perfect time to buy or sell. Now, let's go to the chart and let me show you. Okay, right now, all right, let's open the, shit, the MA. Okay, let me open the MA. Okay, this side is to be on. Open the MA. Okay, the orange color is the MA. MA is moving average. That means the last 14 day, the RSI, they calculate as the average. Okay. Yeah, I don't think you can do, I don't think you can do MA on the RSI MA on the MT4. All right. I don't think you can do that. Okay, but on TradingView, you can. Okay. So very simple right now. The MA is the moving average. Now, the thing about MA is that anything that's on top is an uptrend. Anything that's below is a downtrend. Right? Because why? Because the orange line is the average price that people are willing to pay. Okay, people are willing to pay. All right. So if it's on top, that means people are willing to pay more. Below, people are willing to pay less. Right. So how do you know that the buyers and sellers are changing direction, that they're coming in? Very simple. Just look at the crossover. If you look at this right now, if the RSI go down, it come back up. It come back up, right? When it breaks the, when it cross over the MA, that means the buyer is coming in, because that's where we start to buy. So you can see this is the place where it cross over. The next candle over here, that is where we enter. Okay, we enter the next candle here. All right, if you enter, you can see, if you just by going here itself, I don't even want to go to the top. Just by going here itself at the next zone, you can see you can already win 500 pips, which is $5,000. Okay, $5,000 just by going up here only. That's all, to the next zone. All right. So same thing goes to here. This is the breaking part. Okay, this is the candle to enter. All right. So the candle you enter, you can see most of the time, the moment when you enter, you can see pretty fast it will go up. All right, pretty fast you'll go up. So you can see this is also like $2,700. Okay, this is like one lot size. Okay, and it works well when it is at the lower half or the upper half. Usually at the middle, I try not to take, because sometimes it can be sideways. Okay, it can be sideways. So the easiest, safest is on top or below. Nearer, there's no fixed rule. Anything that's around 70 up down like this, or anything that's below 30, you can enter. All right, enter the trade. All right, so let me show you another one over here. Okay, over here. All right, you can see over here, that's where it breaks up. Okay, the next candle, we enter this candle. If you go up here, it's about $5,000. No, quite good profit, right? Okay, so over here, this one cross down, we don't enter. We only enter up, enter buy, because this is oversold. All right, so we enter buy over here. Okay, so here, another buy. See, this is a breaking candle. The next candle we enter, this is about 6,000, 600 over pips. Okay, so 6,000 over dollar. Okay, so over here, same thing. Anything on top and below is the best. Anything in the center is most of the time sideways. All right. So over here, you can see we sell. Over here, the next candle we enter, sell, boom. Wow, all the way. I don't know what to say. This one, that's crazy. All right. Okay, you can see for yourself the number. All right. Okay, so when you got it correct, it is really, really very good. Okay, so remember the enter is very important. Okay, so you can see over here the crossing of the candle. So this is the crossing of the candle crossing here. You can see over here the candle crossing. The next candle, then you enter. The next candle open immediately, you enter. You understand? Do not enter when it straight away cross, because sometimes it may reverse. Sometimes it may reverse. All right. So this is the breaking candle. Okay, the crossover candle. The next candle, this is the candle. This is the candle. On top here, immediately enter the moment when you open. Then boom, all the way down. All right. Okay. How do you do the red circle? Oh, very simple. I just draw it there. Over here. Circle. 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 There. Circle. Okay, just draw. Very simple. Okay. All right, guys. All right. So same thing goes to here. All right. Same thing goes to here. You can see all the way down. All right. Okay. So the RSI crossover is a very, very lah. Okay, don't tell me you cannot even identify a crossover. Don't tell me you cannot even identify a crossover. If you cannot even identify a crossover, then don't trade. Okay, all right, all right. May I know what time frame? Tan Tan. Okay, so this is H1, 1 hour, guys, 1 hour. Okay, for those who are new, if you feel that you always doesn't have very good winning rate, I suggest you go for 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hours sometimes can be a bit too long. So you trade 1 hour. That is the best. Okay, I feel it's the best. Okay. Okay, John, let's talk about loss shortly. Okay. Talk about SL shortly. Okay. So usually I can tell you is that when the crossover happen, right, the chances of it running is very, very high. All right. The chances of it running is very high. Okay. The MA is 14 days. The MA is 14 days. All right. If you do intraday, all right, for those with experience, you can go for M5, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. All right, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. The setting, let me show you again the setting. Oops. Let me show you the setting again. Let me just read one last time. Okay. All right. The setting is OHLC. Okay. OHLC over here. Source. Use OHLC instead of close. Okay. Use OHLC. All right. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's move on. All right. 5 minute chart. Okay, now guys, it doesn't matter what minute chart you use, they're all the same. They're all the same. Okay. It's just that is the only difference is that when higher time frame when it runs more. Okay, higher time frame when it break, higher time frame when it cross over and break, it runs more than lower time frame. Okay, if you just want to scout like in out fast, very fast, then you go for M5 lah, M5. Okay, you want in out fast, all right. But of course, you cannot make thousands of dollars. Okay, but if you want to make higher profit margin, all right, then you go for H1. Okay, you go for H1. All right, guys. Yes, June is correct. Okay, June. Thanks, June. Now, guys, why RSI crossover is so powerful and why is most trader always miss it? Let me tell you, I'm very surprised nobody talk about this crossover. And this RSI has been invented for so many years already, but nobody ever talk about it. Right. Okay. So that's why I'm quite glad that I discovered this secret and now I'm sharing this with all of you guys Okay. All right. So most traders use RSI just to spot overbought, oversold. And that's where they go wrong. They ignore the real magic. And the real magic is actually the RSI crossover. RSI crossover. All right. That's why RSI crossover is one of the most powerful trading signals. And why most traders completely miss it out on it. All right. So it confirms the momentum before the price move. Right. It moves ahead of prices. Right. Before the big shift come in. So you can catch the big wave. Right. And it acts as a hidden entry. Right. You can use other indicator, but it doesn't tell you the entry. It just tell you roughly what's going to happen. Right. But RSI can tell you exactly when to enter. Right? It's like it tell you where the smart money is going to come in. Okay, this is a secret confirmation even before the price starts moving. All right, okay, guys. All right, so let's RSI, very simple, very easy, no complicated. All right, Kelvin, you can go and back test. Okay, Kelvin, you can go and back test yourself, no problem. Okay, I've been doing this. My student have been doing this over the past 2 years already. Okay, I'm making really, really good results from this. Okay, guys, everything I tell you is based on my experience. It's based on my 600 over students of experience. Okay, you don't believe me at all. I'm totally fine with that. Okay, but if you believe me, thank you for your trust. Thank you for your trust. If you don't believe me, I'm fine. If you have other method that works really well for you, I'm also okay one. Please go. And the main thing is that you must make money. Okay, if you don't make money, it's no use. Okay, learning also no use. Okay, the key thing is you must make money. All right. Okay, whether you use other method or my method doesn't matter. If I can contribute and help you, I will do that. All right. So right now, let's talk about the second thing, which is the TAD indicator, the 4C. Right. Able to do this as well. Yes. Okay. Now, guys, most people always think that everyone started as full-time trader. No. Let me tell you, 98% of our students are all have full-time job. Some are accountants, some are hairdressers, some are work in school, some are education, some are business owner. There are all kinds of people in all walks of life, all are doing full-time job. Let me tell you first. Right? Nobody start trading full-time one. right? They all start trading part-time. You just need to find something that works for you. Okay? All right. Okay, let me continue. Because many things I want to share. Okay, so now I created one of the kind formula you won't find anywhere else in the world. It's simple and easy. In fact, this is the reason why you don't need to memorize all these complicated candlestick pattern. Okay, so I want to talk to you about the 4C confluence. If you've been in my Telegram, you know that sometimes I'll post this 4C for you to see. Sometimes I post TTF, sometimes I post 4C, right? So what I'm going to show you here is how to use the formula to enter a trade, right? Before and under the trade and how to TP. That's what most people always say, how do you TP, right? So now, very simple. The 4 confluence is this. If there is this 4 confluence, then we enter the trade. If there is no confluence, we don't enter the trade. Clear? All right. So number 1 is in the AVSNR zone. Okay, the price have to be in the AVSNR zone. If it's not, we do not enter. Right? Number 2, it must have TAD arrows. Arrows means buy and sell. Arrows. If have, then we enter. If don't have, we don't enter. Number 3, the price must be out of the band. All right. That means you have to be super stretched. Number 4, you must have RSI crossover. Okay, RSI crossover. All right. TAD, what is TAD? TAD means 10% a day. 10% a day. All right. So our job is to make 10% a day. Now, guys, let me ask you this question. Many people always have this misunderstanding. They always say, hey, wow, the bank can only do a few percent a year. I can do 10% a day. Now, let me ask you this question, guys. If you make 10% a day, do you know after 1 year, you put in, let's say, $1,000, right? You know how much is that $1,000 if you do 10% a day? Can you make a guess? How much is that $1,000? How much is that $1,000? If you put in $1,000, 10% compound 10% a day. After 1 year, you know it's how much? Minus the weekend, okay? No 3 million, no 10 million. It is $1 trillion. $1 trillion. So does it mean that I'm a trillionaire? Obviously not lah. You understand or not? If I'm a trillionaire, I won't be staying here already. All right, okay? I won't be doing all this thing already. All right. So here's the thing now. What do I mean by 10% a day? That means that what you want to do is, let's say you start with $1,000 capital. Every day you make 10%, you make $100. Then what you do is, the broker or banker are confirm. So what you want to do is you withdraw 10% every day. So let's just say you put $1,000 every day, you make 100, you withdraw 100 every day. 100 every day. That's 10% a day. And we realize that many of our students is able to do that. And some can do even better. You know, some can do 20, 50% a day, you know. So 10% is the minimum I require you to hit. Okay. Now, Wei Xiong, do I suggest compounding? Okay, that's a very good question. Now, guys, when you are new, okay, I do not suggest you to compound your earning, your profit. That means that I want you to withdraw every day. Okay, withdraw profit every day. Unless you are very super disciplined. If not, I prefer you to trade for daily income. Right? Why? Because some of you have very bad risk management. That means how many of you here have you win? You can win 9 times. Win 9 times. But when you lose 1 time, you wipe out your whole account. Anyone have seen this before? No? Or you lose 1 time, you lose a lot of money. Your capital down like a lot. Have right. That's why I tell you, most people always it's like that. Why? Because they're very bad risk management. All right. Unless you are very experienced. So that is what I suggest is every time when you make the money every day, you withdraw. Every day withdraw. At least if you do this, if you cannot MC, margin call, you lose your capital, it's okay. You still have your profit to cover you. So this is for people who are very new. And when this is for beginners. And when you go to the intermediate stage, then maybe you can withdraw like 5%. Instead of 10%, you withdraw 5%. Then you compound the rest. Then slowly move it up. Okay? Don't straight away compound. I tell you, it is a very bad mistake. Okay? Josephine, how do you manage big capital of 50K? I mean, number 1 is, guys, when you start trading, always start smaller first. Always start smaller until you become almost like a robot, until you become very good in risk management and your emotional control, just like what Eddie say. Then you slowly add in your fund. Okay, the first 3 months, I will say maybe you can, Joseph, you can start with 10,000 first 3 months, right? Then slowly, as you get better, then you start to increase the fund. Don't straight away throw in 50K to trade. I tell you first, okay? Small minimum, I will tell you, is 1K, 1,000. Now, everything I say here is US dollar, guys, okay? Because what we want to do is we want to earn US dollar, ma. Correct or not? Earn US dollar is easier, better, okay? I'm not really, I don't really do prop firm, okay? But my strategy, TAD strategy can use prop firm, can be used for prop firm, but I don't use it. I have students who do that. All right. Broker, I use IC Market, Daniel, but I recommend to you, okay? Okay. Or I always suggest US dollar, $1,000 to start off. Okay, guys, okay. Now let me come back. Let me come into my slide. Too many questions. All right. Let me come into the slide. Then I will have time to answer your questions. Okay. Now, very simple. Number one is the AV, the 4 confluence. There's 4 confluence. Number 1, the AVSNR zone. All right. So when you draw the SNR zone, right, the AVSNR zone, right, without identifying the zone, you are basically trading blindly. You are entering at the random point where the market has no structure. The SNR zone acts as a guide. It's like the traffic light. This is where you turn left, this is where you turn right. The zones are the traffic light. Why? Because when the price, if you look at it, wherever the price touches the zone, they are at the traffic light. Then they have to react to the traffic light. So some will reverse, some will break, right? So this is the zone where you have to be careful. This is the zone where we enter as well, where we decide whether should we enter or not enter, okay? The blue color zone. So this is the first thing, okay? Number 2 is the arrows. The red arrows means sell. The seller are coming in. The green arrow means the buyer are coming in. So without a clear momentum reversal signal, you're always left guessing, when to enter, should I enter, or whether you enter too early or you enter too late. So the TAD arrow give you a crystal clear signal when the buyers or sellers are stepping in, ensuring you enter the market at the perfect timing. All right. So next one is number 3, out of band. When you don't recognize the overstretched prices, no, you know what's out of the band? Out of the band means the price have stretches very far. You know, price doesn't move in one direction. You always go up, down, up, down, up, down. You understand? So you have to snap like rubber band. Snap, pull back, snap, pull back. You have to do this. All right. So when the price get out of the band, this is the band. This is the outer band. This is the middle band. This is the outer band. Okay, this is the outer band, the middle band. Then this is also the outer band. Okay, when it's out of the band, that means that the price have stretched. The rubber band are stretched very far, very far. So when it stretched very far, when you release, what happened? It will snap back in. Okay, and usually where it snap back in, it snap back into the middle band. Middle band. Okay, this is not Bollinger. You can see it's totally different from Bollinger. Okay, this is my TAD band. TAD band. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is number 3. Number 4, you all should know already, is the RSI crossover. Whenever there's RSI crossover, it's a tool to tell you the confirmation that you're no longer trading on gut feeling. You're trading based on knowing that the reversal is going to come. It confirms the momentum changes. Okay. So when you have an AVSNR, the TAD arrows, the out of band, and the RSI crossover, you have 4 confluence. You are no longer guessing. You are unlock a bulletproof strategy that delivers and pinpoint the exact entries to tell you to maximize your trading edge. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to the chart. All right. Okay, let's go to the chart. Okay, so this is a 5-minute time frame. Okay, you cannot find this. You cannot find this anywhere. This is only my. This is my own. This is my own. All right. Okay, so if you look at this right now, you can see. Okay, for now, for testing purposes, let's just ignore the zone because if I wait for the zone, we don't have a chance to see the action and all these things. All right. So right now, I think the market is a little bit slow. Maybe it's waiting for the 9 o'clock. Waiting for the market to move up. All right. So right now, okay, you can see over here. Okay, let's just ignore the zone for now. Okay. So right now, you can see over here. Okay, let's just do some practice. Okay. Okay, so now if you look at it here, all right. Okay, if you look at this right now, okay, you can see very clearly, all right, what's happening right now. All right, so you can see the price have actually break out of the zone. All right, and the price is actually out of the band. Out of the band. Okay, it's out of the band. You can see it's outside the band. All right. But it's not in the zone yet. It's not in the zone yet. The zone will be here. Okay, the zone will be here. All right. So we will not take this trade until it reaches the zone here. Okay, that means that the price will that means the price will most probably continue to go up until here, then it start to drop. Okay, it will drop steeply. All right, so now right now we will not have any trade. This is H1 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart. Every candle is 1 hour. All right, that means that we have to wait until here. All right, so you can see, let's just go to see others. You can see over here. All right, now guys, let me ask you this question. Will you take this trade or not? Will you take this trade? Yes or no? Some yes, some no. Okay. Okay. Now, for those who say no, why do you say no? Why? Why? Over here, over here, over here. But RSI crossover over here, you can see RSI crossover over here. Wait for the crossover. Okay. So this one is actually, you can see is actually sort of like out of the band. Okay. You can see this is the band. The candle is out of the band. Right or not? Then you can see, okay, now you can see it has already touched the zone. Yes, already touched. Now, guys, it doesn't mean that it must be in the zone. It must. Now, guys, let me just tell you this thing first. When you enter the trade, it doesn't mean that it must be in the zone. Then you enter the trade. That means that it must at least touch the zone. Then you enter the trade. Okay, at least either inside the zone or outside the zone is fine. So what you want to do is very simple. Number one, it must be touch or in the zone. Already passed. Number one. Number two, it must have arrow. Already have. Number three, it must have at least gone out of the band. Okay, it must have gone out of the band, which it already have. Correct or not? All right. So number three. Number four, we wait for RSI crossover. RSI crossover over here. Over here. So the trade enter is here. Okay, but of course this is slightly risky trade, all right, because it's very close to the zone. Some of you have already said, all right, it's closer to the zone, closer to the middle zone. Why? Because the middle zone is always the TP zone, TP area. So right now, let's just say it hit the middle zone here. All right, so this is what you get. Okay, middle zone TP, TP1, TP2. Okay, so you close half here 50%, close the other 50% here at the outer band. Okay, so TP1 you make 2004, TP2 you make 5009. Okay, all right, guys. So the area to TP is the first TP is the middle band, second TP is the outer band. That's it. Anything above is a bonus for you. Okay, so right, let's look at this now, guys. This one, let me ask you, will you take this trade? Will you take this trade? Yes or no? Yes, most of you say correct. So why? Number one, is in the zone or must have touched the zone. Number one. Number two, red arrow, sell, sell. Number three, it is out of the band, out of the band. Okay. Okay. Number four, crossover, then we enter. So crossover here, we enter here. Enter the next candle here. Right. TP1, $1,000. TP2, here the low here, okay, $3,000. Okay, guys, clear? All right, so that's how we trade. All right, so let's continue. Okay, over here, wow, this one's sweet, this one. All right. Okay, but this one is I don't know, will you take the trade? Because this one I may not take the trade. Because why we don't take the trade? Anyone tell me? Anyone tell me what is missing here? Correct. No, there is no zone. White color is not the zone. Blue color is the zone. It has to be in the zone. It must touch the zone. Okay. All right. Okay. So these are sideways. So sideways. Okay, over here, this one. This is perfect. Perfect setup. All right, will you take the trade? Can, right? Okay, number one, in the zone. Number two, green arrow. Number three, outside the band. Number four, RSI crossover. Right, so RSI crossover over here. First TP, $4,000. Second TP, $9,000. Okay, how to draw the crossover? You mean this one, the orange line? It's a default setting, guys. It's a default set. Now let me go. Go back to the RSI again, guys. Okay. All right. You can see over here. This one. RSI base MA. If I uncheck this, you see it disappeared. If I check this, it appeared. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's just move on. Okay. Over here. All right. Okay. Two very nice setup. Okay. Same thing over here. Okay. Is this a good setup? Yes or no? Yes, All right, good setup, All right, okay. All right, so again, number one is in the zone. Number two, green arrow. Number three, out of the band. Okay, number four, wait for RSI crossover. Then you enter, right? RSI crossover over here. Middle band, 4,000. Okay, over here, 8,000. Okay, same thing goes to here. Okay, you enter here. Enter here. Straight away, 6,000. Okay, clear? All right. Okay, then over here, wow, this one also very beautiful. Very beautiful. You see the RSI? So clear. Very clear, very clear. All right. Okay, so over here, you can see we shorted here. We were short here. Over here, we short here. Okay, all the way down. Wow, you see, first TP, 13,000. Second TP, 22,000. All right. Okay. So in order to buy one lot, someone asked, if to buy one lot size, what's your capital? Capital about 10K. 10K, you can buy one lot size. Okay, 10K. 10K can buy one lot size. Okay, all right. So over here, same thing. All right, over here, buy up. Over here, sell down. Very clear, very clear. Okay, very clear. Okay, sell down. All right, up. You can see very, very clear. All right. Okay, sell. This one we won't take because it's already touched the band. All right. So this one we will take as well. Okay, we will take this as well. Okay. Okay, guys, very clear, right? All right. Okay. So now this is basically how it is like. Okay, let me see. Right now. Okay, let me see the 5 minute. 5 minute. Okay, so so you can see generally I come to the smaller time frame so that you can see the live movement. This is gold, it is live right now. So you can see the setup live. Like how is it like? Okay. So you can see there's a setup here. Just ignore the zone first. Just ignore the zone first. Okay. So you can see there's a setup here, there's a setup here. It's all sell. It's also sell setup. Okay. A setup here, then a setup here. These are all live. These are all live. Okay. All right. So you see, that's why usually we need to only sell in the zone. This side, all this we ignore. We totally ignore this all the way until it touches the zone. Understand? All right. So that's why this is live right now. So what you want to do is wait for the price to get out of this band, okay, reaches here, then there will be a green arrow, green buy arrow. And then when the 4C is met, then we enter a buy over here. Then we will TP here, TP here. Understand? So on average, if you look at it right now, okay, let's just say we buy here, enter here, you can make about $1,000 over here. If you TP here, you make about $2,000. All right. So this is roughly how we can gauge what's going to happen once you know how to use 4C. Okay, so now let's just see whether does this thing appear or not. Does this thing happen or not? All right. Yes, correct. We have to use H1 to confirm. Okay, the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. All right. Okay, so now let's go back to the slides. Okay, because I only have less than 1 hour left. All right. So now you see, TAD formula is very, very flexible. You can also use it for long-term investment like stocks and crypto. You know, if you want to buy stocks and crypto for the long-term one, you know what? Like this example. Okay. The blue Buloxibutrin. Okay, thank you, James. Thank you, James. Okay, let me go and order it later on. All right. Okay, so now, like very simple. You see, let's just say this is Bitcoin. Okay, let's just say if the Bitcoin hit the support, then people will think that, hey, Bitcoin hit the support. It's time to buy. So what happens when you buy? Don't just blindly buy because it's at the support, right? Then what happened? After that, you buy, bam, it punch all the way down. Okay, this happens. Have this happened to anyone before? No? Have or not? You buy something and then straight away you thought that it's a support. Then after that, it drops all the way down. So don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Let me show you a simpler way. A simpler way. Go and look at the TAD indicator, the 4C. Go and search for the H4 4-hour chart or the 1-day chart. Anytime when there's a green arrow, you buy. Every time there's a green arrow, you buy. It's just as simple as that. Okay. So let me show you. Let's just have a look at BTC. Go to H4. Ignore my drawing. Okay. Anyway, I think BTC will have a breakout soon already. How do I know that BTC is going to have a breakout soon? It's because if you look at this right now, right? It touches 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and usually on the 4th touches, right, it will break out. If not the 4th touches, it will go up, come down, go up again, then break out. All right, so that's why I think it's coming soon really. It's coming really. All right, just wait for it. And right now you can see it actually break the trend line, come back. This is a very classic breakout method. Okay, it's a very classic breakout method. All right, okay, so we just wait for it to go up to here, the trend line. All right, so right now, okay, very simple. For those who you want to buy and invest, right? Okay, now is the time to buy. All right, or if you want to trade, now is the time to buy. But if you want to have SL, this is your SL. Your SL is here, the white color here, just below the white line, just below the blue zone. You can see this is the low, just below this. Okay, so this way you can see your RR, risk to reward ratio is very, very high. Because when you break out, you take profit here. Your SL is only here. Okay, so right now is actually a chance to buy BTC lah. Okay, okay. So now let's have a look at this. Let's go to H4. I open up the indicator. Yeah, you buy and hold. You can hold. You can hold, Jen. All right. So you can look at this. The indicator. Right, guys. Have a look at this. If you just want to invest, you look at this. The green arrow is always telling you where the low is. Where the low is. So what you want to do is every time when it touches when the green arrow appeared, you enter a small position, maybe like 1K, 5K, 10K, depending on your saving. That means that you want to buy and hold one. You want to buy and hold. So you can buy here, 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 just buy and hold one. All right. So you're always buying at the low. Buying at the low. Okay. Breakout will wait about 2 to 4 weeks. One candle is 4 hours, maybe a few weeks. Okay, maybe a few weeks. All right. So let's just look at SPY. Look at SPY. For those who buy SPY as an investment, okay, same thing. Okay, let's wait for the chart to load. Okay, ignore my drawing. All right. Okay, you can see over here. This is a green arrow buy. This is a green arrow buy. This is a green arrow buy. These are the green arrow buy. Okay, the green arrow buy. All right. Every time there's a green arrow, you just buy. I can tell you. Okay. Jen, you want to know my win rate? I can tell you guys. All right. If you just do this, green arrow, you buy green arrow. I can tell you, you will have 100% win rate. Let me tell you, 100% win rate. Do you know just by doing this, right? Just green arrow buy. Every time it's green arrow, it means it's at the bottom already. You just enter, like, okay, what I do is very simple. Okay. Every time there's a green arrow, I'll buy. Let's just say I buy 10K, 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 10K. Okay, this is like a saving for me. 10K, 10K, every month 10K or 5K or 2K, up to you. But every time when you punch a lot, I will put a lump sum inside. Okay, all right. So so this way, if you just do it this way, I can tell you every year you will have minimum 20 to 50%. Minimum 20 to 50%. Let me tell you first. Okay, as long as there's a green arrow, you just enter. That's all. If you want to buy stocks, also can. Any stocks you guys want to see? Let's just say Apple. Apple. Okay. Just wait for the indicator to load. Anything you want to see, let me know. You see? Buy. This is October, September, August, April, March, January. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So over this year, 6 chance for you to buy and invest. Okay, 6 chance for you to buy and invest. Okay, let's look at Tesla. Wait. Okay, let's have a look at Tesla. Wow, Tesla plunge. I saw it's here. All right, so Tesla, same thing. All right, all right. Buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. All right, buy here, buy here. Or you can even go higher time frame. Okay, if you feel that there's too much entry, you can go to higher time frame. Let's just say 1 day. Let's just have a look at 1 day. 1 day. Okay. So this is the entry. August, April, November. All right. August, April. All right. So these are the area, the date to go and buy Tesla shares. All right. So let me see. So DBS. What is DBS ticker, guys? D05. Okay. Okay, DBS. Let's have a look at the 1 day first. All right. Okay, 1 day don't have so much. So let's go to H4. Let's go to H4. Okay, so buy. Here 1. How come don't have one here? Here should have 1. Here have 1. Here have 1. All right. So these are the point of entry. Okay, these are the point of entry. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. All right. You can see as long as it's out of the band, you can enter already. All right. As long as it's out of the band, you can enter already. Okay. 1. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, this year, 6 chance to buy. 6 chance to buy DBS. All right before it starts flying. Okay, all right before it starts flying. Okay. All right. So Meta, I also enter Meta. Today, I got tell you all to enter, right? Meta. All right, Meta. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so Meta. 1, 2, 2 only, 3. Now it's the third. Is it now it's out of the band already? Let me tell you, to anyone that buys now, I tell you, you sure make money. It's already out of the band already. Okay, out of the band already. All right. Okay. So that's Meta. Then of that, these are all the entry points. These are all the entry points. Okay. When do you TP? So Joanne, TP, if you are buying for investment, there's no TP. You just hold for 5 years, 10 years. But if you're TP, remember guys, where's the TP? Where's the TP point, guys? Everyone? Middle band, outer band. TP1, TP2. Okay. Right. And this is not Bollinger Band, not BB. Let me tell you guys, everyone thinks it's BB, it's not. Okay. Okay, it's not BB. All right. Okay, if you want to short, of course, this is place we short Meta, you see. Everything out of the band, I tell you, is almost 100%. Everything that's out of the band, I tell you, is almost 100% win rate. Okay, you can see one. Okay. Okay. The band will move. Okay, guys, you can see this. You see this dotted line? This is non-confirm, but this is confirmed. Okay, that means the dotted line, they are still move. It will still move. All right. Okay, now let me go back to the slides. Okay. Okay, now let me see this first. Yeah, okay. So no chance for you to come down. Today goes damn slow, yeah. Don't know why the goal is so slow. Yeah. Huh? You see now it's going up lah. Okay. All right. So it's uptrend ma goal. So no chance for you to come back down. All right. So if no chance to trade gold, then we can trade other thing lah. Okay. Anything also can. That's why because New York opened at 10:30 now. A bit slow. Okay. The band and all these things is my guys. This band arrow is my own indicator. You cannot find this anywhere else. Okay. The arrows. Okay. The arrows. Okay. The arrows will usually be formed, right, when they see a very strong momentum. Let's just say over here, they see a very strong selling momentum. The arrow will form. But sometimes when the selling momentum become a lot of buyer come in, the arrow will disappear. So you always must wait for the candle to close. Okay, you always must wait for the candle to close. All right, then you enter the trade. Clear or not, guys? Don't enter straight away. You see the arrows, Okay. Okay. Now we got this interesting question. Chi, okay, ask this question. Other than gold, which one is very easy to trade? Now, guys, actually, if you want to trade, right, you have to first know what method you're doing, Yeah, let me tell you, okay, let me show you, this is a mistake I see most people do all the time, Okay, let's just look at this, Once you understand this, your winning rate will go up a lot more once you understand this, all right? So now let me ask you this question, guys. If you look at this right now, right, this is Australia, New Zealand dollar. Let me ask you, is this a trending chart or a sideways chart? Let me ask you. Is it trending or sideways? Trending, all right? If we are trending, you must use trending strategy. Okay, you must use trending strategy. Okay, very clear, Okay. Okay, let's have a look at this. Is this a trending or sideways? Trending, Okay, very good. So trending, what we do is we use TTF, TAD trending formula, right? TAD trending formula, okay? So now let me ask you this question. Is this a sideways chart or a trending chart? Sideways, all right? Sideways, you use 4C. You use 4C. If you look at 4C, sideways is almost 包价 one. Okay, if you use 4C, sideways is almost 包价, that means sure it lah. Okay, so first thing is that when you look at the chart, you must look at it whether you must understand is this now a trending or it is a moving sideways chart. If it's sideways, use 4C. If it's trending, use TTF. How come the loading so slow? There, you see? You see, can you see the arrows? Can you see how beautiful the arrow is? How beautiful the arrows are. Why? Because it's sideways. It's sideways. Okay, let me just move on first. All right. Just now someone say NASDAQ 100. Okay. Okay, now let me ask you guys. Is this a sideways or trending? Sideways or trending? Okay. This is trending. Okay, but now it's actually sideways. Okay, now it's actually sideways. All right, so you must first identify which one is which first. All right, so let me show you. Later, I'll show you TTF. I'll show you the trending chart. I'll show you how to trade trending. Okay, so this is also trending. If you look at the current price, okay, it is trending. TAD trending formula. All right, so this is sideways or trending? Sideways or trending? Sideways. You understand already, guys? Sideways, what do you use? What do you use for sideways? 4C. All right. Trending, what do you use for trending? TTF, correct. Okay, so this is trending. Use TTF. Clear already? So if you do it this way, I will tell you your chances of winning is very high. Why? Because if the chart is trending, you go and use support and resistance, I tell you, you are just getting yourself killed only. You are just getting yourself killed only. All right. Sideways have to be a sideways strategy. Trending have to be trending strategy. If you're always losing money, that means that you are using the wrong way. Correct. You will break the trend very fast because it's trending. You see, it can straight away break 2 to 3 zone immediately. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me move on first. Let me continue. All right. So now here's the thing, guys. You know, we don't just trade forex. We also trade crypto. We also buy investment as well. Also do Apple shares and all that. In fact, do you know I started off with trading stocks? I told you, right, COVID. And when I use TAD formula on stocks, I tell you, it's damn simple. It's so simple. Let me show you this. I actually have a newsletter called Trading TLDR. So in the newsletter, every week, 3 times a week, I will post. I'll go and post, I'll write about the latest update and all these things. This is a public newsletter. Anyone can go and see one. So I'll say, hey, this is this week winning stock recommendation. Okay, this is what I will do, right? This is this one. Okay, recommendation. Okay, Molina Healthcare. Okay, then after that, I'll tell you this is a 4C setup. You can see it's a 4C setup. All right. Then after that, what I'll tell you is that I will tell you I will sell. Hey, wrong, hey guys. Shannon, this is buy, not sell. Okay. Sorry, I write wrongly. Typo. Okay, this is a buy, then TP here, then TP here. Okay, this is another one. Prime Medicine, same thing. It's also a 4C setup. All right. Then after that, this is a buy over here. TP1, TP2 over here. All right. So these are basically what I do 3 times a week to show people. And then when I TP, I will show here. Right. We shorted here, it went down TP1, we hit TP1. Okay, then I tell you, we get about 1.85% before leverage. I always use leverage one. Okay, all right. So after that, I also have a this is the trade that I have. All right. So now, guys, let me ask you this question. As of now, I just want to block it out. Okay, so now I started 1 year ago. This is November already. I started 1 year ago. All right. So you can see I've done a total of 99 trade. I'm talking about stocks, guys. Stocks, okay. I done 99 trade, okay, and I still have 2 open trade right now. Okay, 99 trade, 2 open trade right now. Okay, if you look at this right now, let me ask you, make a guess, guys. What is the winning rate? Can you make a guess or not? All this is based on 4C H4 setup. Okay, H4 setup, 4-hour setup. Wow, for those people who say 100%, thank you so much, yeah. You know, thank you, man. I can be a billionaire now. Right. Okay. So now, wow. So many say 100%. Cannot be lah. Right? Okay, 100%. Okay. Now let me just go zoom in for you to see. You can look at it here right now. So this is the long or buy or sell. This is the price we enter. This is the TP. All right. Then this is a win or lose. Then this is a percentage of winning or lose. Okay. So you can see over here, there's a win. Then there's one BE. BE means break even. That means that you waited too long. Then when it hit break even, I close. Okay. Then after that, you can see there's win. Okay. There's win. There's one BE as well. Waited too long. And the time of waiting is this. So this one means that, what is this means? That means that when I enter this American airline, it took me 1 day to TP. 1 day to TP, 3 days to TP, 2 days to TP, 4 days to TP, 7 days to TP, 1 month. That's why too long. I go and close already. Okay, this one also 1 month. Okay, these are the days. All right. So you can see over here right now, the win. These are all stocks. Win. Then this is BE. I close it for 6 days. Then boring. Then after that, BE, win. Then I have 1 losses. This one 2 months. HP Hero package. Walao, 2 months cannot make it. I go and close it. Loss. All right, 2.62%. All right. Then after that, win. Then after that, BE as well. Okay, 2 months also too long already, like BE. Okay. Hey, this one forget to add in how many days. All right. Then after that, win. Then BE 1 time as well. Okay. Then after that, win. Then 1 day. You see, sometimes quite fast. You see 13% in 1 day. All right. And this is before leverage, guys. Okay. I use CMC. CMC, the leverage is the 10 times, 5 to 10 times. 5 to 10 times. So the results you see over here, you times 5 or times 10. Okay, depending on the stocks. Okay. All right. So now you can see right now, altogether, the total return is 600 for 1 year. The total wins is 91. BE is 5. Loss is only 1. And currently, there's 2 open trade. All right. So all these things are documented down online every single day. All right. Every single day. All right. All right. Okay. So that's why when it comes to trading stocks, I can tell you it's damn easy. To be honest, the win rate is super high. So TAD basically will solve your problem of not knowing when to buy. Right? You will know exactly where to buy and keep your stocks or your crypto if you're looking for investment. Okay. All right. So now, guys, are you enjoying yourself now, guys? Are you learning anything new today or not, guys? Can I ask you? Joe, can you help me talk out myself? Right. Are you enjoying yourself now? Can you let me know now? I think I feel that I'm like losing my voice really. Right? Maybe let me just look one more cough medicine first. How much to enroll? Okay, wait. Coming. Okay. Yeah. Violet, yes, you can trade as well. Okay, TAD can be used for trading as well, not just investing. Earlier today, just now I showed you how to trade, right? Okay, I haven't talked about TTF yet. Okay, Joe, remember take the water. Right. So now, guys, you enjoying yourself, right? So now, can I make you enjoy yourself even more or not? Can I do that or not? Since you already told me you're enjoying learning a lot, can I make you learn even more or not? Yes or not? Want or not? Want to let me know lah. If not, then I don't want to give you with you lah. Okay. All right. Okay. So here's the thing. All right. How do I manage so many trades? No lah. We got a lot. Sometimes just 1 week only, like a few only. Right. So very simple. Now I created this Telegram to give you a free gift. So very simple. I want to start sending some free gift. You know, this Telegram is a place where I talk. I share my story with you. I share my strategy with you. I teach you. I help you. Right. I share a lot of things. I even share setup. Like when there's a setup coming, I'll just post there. Okay. If you go back and join this Telegram, you see that the winning rate is very, very high. We seldom have losses one. If you have never joined this Telegram yet, please go and scan the QR code and join this Telegram right now, guys. Okay. All right. Can you please do it right now? All right. I give you 1 minute. Okay. I give you 1 minute. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. Once you join already, let me know. Once you join already, let me know. All right. Give me 1 minute. All right. Let me see. Okay, let me see how many people inside already. All right. Okay, good. I think there's about 100 of you who just joined, 100 plus of you. Okay, very good. Okay, let's just move on. Let's just move on. Okay, so now. Okay, so I'll be quite free after this webinar. So whenever they see any setup, all these things, I will go and post it in. Then after that, when you make some money, just use the money to spend on your family lah. Okay, go and have fun lah. Okay, especially this way is coming already. Okay. All right, so very simple. The last topic today I'm going to share with you. Wow, I talk about 1.5 hour already. 8, 9, over 9. Wow. Okay, now let's talk about the last topic, how to apply RM when you're losing money. Okay, now, as I said just now, technical analysis is always 80% accurate and 20% will always go the opposite one. No matter what you do, sometimes it will go the opposite one. Okay, so when it reverse and you're losing money, what should you do? Okay, very simple. Price always move in zigzag one. Price never move in a straight line one. It's always zigzag one. Okay, whether up or down, it always zigzag one. Okay, once you know how to make use of the zigzag, you will know how to recover your trade from losing to BE, break even. BE is break even, and sometimes even profit. Now, let me show you an example. Like this, how to apply RM to repair your trade. Let's just say you enter this Forex. Okay, you enter a buy. Price has reached a support. You think it will bounce, so what you do, you enter a buy. Right? So after you enter a buy, what happens? The price start to plunge. So when the price starts to plunge, most of the time it will hit your SL. Okay, no? So what you want to do is not to panic, but to chill. Just chill first. And then apply the RM. RM is the recovery method, right? Then after that, what happens is that when you see over here, you just wait for one thing to happen now, which is basically to see the price start to bounce. When the price start to bounce, and all you need to do is just look for the RSI crossover. Okay, look for the RSI crossover, and when the RSI crossover, you enter a buy. Okay, when the RSI crossover, you enter a buy again. So this time when you buy. So when you buy again, it will bring your break-even price, your BE price, to the middle, right? The orange line. So what this means is that when the price hits the orange line, you will have break-even. Okay, you will have break-even. That means that you will have your losses have become zero. So usually what happens is that the price will bounce and sometimes it will continue to go up. Okay, you may even make some little bit of profit. All right, and you can close your trade. Right? When you enter a wrong trade and the market goes against you, just apply the RM. But of course, don't anyhow apply lah. Okay, two things you must apply is that two main criteria. Number one, it must be in the next zone. It must be in the next zone. Number two, it must have RSI crossover. Then you enter the trade. Then somewhere in the middle, you can get out free. Okay, get out without any hurt. Okay, so recently I also came out another way. even faster way. But this is for, but guys, let me tell you one thing. RM is for people who have some experience. If you are brand new, I tell you, let's just go for SL. Let's just go for SL. Okay. Don't use RM. All right. Because RM, if you do wrongly, it will hurt you even more. All right. This is only for experienced people, experienced traders. Guys, let me tell you first. Okay. So even for newbie, we always tell them, please use SL. It's safer. All right. Maybe like 10% only. The capital gone and that's it. But if you do RM wrongly, it may be 50% gone. All right. So now let me show you first. All right. So the correct. Basically, the RM is to repair your trade to hit BE only. It is not to look for profit one. Because remember, 80% of the time you will be correct one, but 20% of the time you'll be wrong. So we want to make sure that the 20% that you're wrong, make sure you break even. You don't aim for money, you aim for break even. Even with small losses, 1-2%, I rather you lose a bit, just a bit only. You understand? Correct? Okay, so now the more advanced way of doing repairing your trade is this. Let's just say you buy here, all right, and the price plunge, it drop even more. Okay, you wait for it to go up. Then after that, it drop even more. You wanted to go in one more time. So what you want to do is that you want to hit your BE and then you get out. Okay, now the price is in the next zone. Let's just say the price is in the next zone. You enter a second entry. Okay, you buy here again. This is where the RSI crossover. You enter again. So usually when you enter again, your BE is here. Correct or not? But the issue is that you are not sure whether the price goes up to here. It may or may not. So the best way is to use a calculator. Okay, this is our calculator, which will tell you exactly how much lot to buy, so that when the price goes up a bit, you can break even. All right. So let's just say that what you want to do right now is that you know that the price you want to enter is over here, but you don't know how much lot to buy. So what you want to do is you want to hit BE. You want the price to go up by 10 pip only. Then you want to hit BE and then you get out. Not 30 pip, not 50 pip, just by 10 pip. All right. So once you know that you only want 10 pip, you enter the calculator. The calculator will tell you how many lot size to go in. Then after that, when you go in, then all you need to do is you buy again, and the lot size the calculator tell you. Then when you hit 10 pip, you straight away get out. Right? You straight away get out. Okay. This way you can exit your losing trade a lot faster. If you don't use this method, you may have to wait for it to go up to the blue BE line. Okay. And once it reaches the BE, it may or may not reach the BE lah. We doesn't know. Right? Sometimes it can just go like that. Okay. Have you faced this before? Have, right? Okay. So every time you wait and thinking you go back up, but in the end it dropped even more. But this is for our this is for more advanced trader lah, for more experienced one, okay, for more experienced one. Okay, of course we are not gambling, and this is only happen in the zone because it always bounce in the zone one. Okay, we're using the zone to help us. Okay, all right, so break even faster. Okay, if you use this, it's a lot more clearer. Okay, so this is how we prevent a lot of losses. So are we clear on this, guys? So if you join my TAD community, you'll receive access to this calculator lah. All right, so price always move in a zigzag and not in a straight line. All right, if you look at the chart here, every time when I enter wrongly, I just wait for this area or this area to enter to be my trade. Right, these are zigzag. Or once you know how to read the zigzag, I tell you, it's very easy to get out. So when you join our TAD training, this is the first thing you must know: how to protect yourself first, how to apply RM with the correct risk management. Right. So this is what some of our students are saying lah. Okay, about this RM lah. Okay, he said that it was rate in 700, in the end become $20 profit lah. In the end become $13 profit lah. And this one also negative become positive. Okay, and this one also negative become positive. Right. So these are students who have experience who are applying the RM lah to help them lah. Okay. All right. So so in TAD there are only two scenarios, guys. Only two scenarios that we trade. Okay. Number one, you make money or you lose. All right, this is what most people do. Number two, you make money or you break even. Let me ask you, which one do you prefer? One or two? Right, two, right, correct. Why? Because when you focus on option two, it's either you make money or your BE. Your capital will grow really, really fast. It's not about hitting big wins all the time. It's about protecting your capital. All right, and then withdrawing the profit or compounding the profits. And usually we enter about a few trades a day one. At least a few trades, at least 2 to 5 trades a day lah. Okay, so what if you one trade? What if you break even one trade and then you win 4 trades? It's fine, what? You understand or not? You look at Alvin. So Alvin, when she started on Monday with 3K. After 8 days, it become almost 9K. 3 times that. Yeah. And then she's so happy. What she do? She go and attend a sponsor a lady to go India for summit, sponsor her daughter's Euro trip and give $300 to her boyfriend, ang pao. So good. I said you should also give me ang pao. Right. And now she's profiting almost 1K a day. Imagine how much your life will change if 1K profits a day, and she started with only 3,000. And that's what I love about Forex, I tell you. Using very little money to grow big money. And why she's able to do that? Because of the RM strategy. When you lose a trade, you have to trade a lot just to recover the loss. You understand, right? Your profit is not going to grow. You're just filling a hole, filling up the hole. But in TAD, we focus on making money or we focus on breaking even. That's all. So when you don't lose, every profit pushes you forward. Just steady grow and faster compounding. That's how you get good results every single month. All right. And do you know why I love trading so much? Because trading allows you to scale with ease. It's possible to double your profit year after year after year, without the constant grind, right? In business, achieving that kind of growth is far more challenging. Let me tell you, I do business for 25 years. How can every year double the profit one? I tell you, very, very hard, right? So look at Awesome, right? He joined in August 2024. This is his first time using demo. And then after that, 4 months later, he's doing like consistently making thousands per trade. Okay, this is Stanley. He joined in May 2024. Same thing, started with a few $100 profit. Then after that, consistently grow, go to thousands a day. All right. And now it's about a few thousand a day. All right. And how about this Marcus? I'll tell you, Marcus. You know, Marcus, this is a trading account. The back end. If you look at this, Marcus joined on 5th December with $10,000. You can see it's $10,000 here. All right. All right. So after that, after $10,000, after 1 month, the $10,000 become $40,000. Guys, 4 times the money after 1 month. 6 weeks. Then after that, what happened? In January, he become how much not? You know how much is his capital now? $500,000. Right now. So guys, from 10K to $500,000. Let me ask you, what else can do that? What else can do that? And in fact, he's the first person to hit $1 million right now. Let me tell you first. We have a second lady who also going to hit $1 million already. Everyone started with $10,000. Okay, later I'm going to share with you. All right. Okay. Now here's the thing, guys. I want to be very fully transparent with you. The result you're seeing, like what Marcus achieved, are not typical. No, they didn't top out, James. They didn't top out. Okay, they didn't top out. All right. So you put in the work. He followed the system. He show up consistently. Most people don't. And because of that, most people won't get the result. Okay, won't get out. But what I can promise you is this. I will show you the exact tool, the strategy, the mindset that help this student achieve this kind of result. Okay? Yeah. You want to know how much? You want to know how much he hit right now? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you live. I used to recommend Okta, but Okta is banned in Singapore. So I asked everyone to shift out Okta. Okay, ask everyone to shift out Okta, except he have not shift out Okta yet. Okay, so let me show you this. Log in live. Okay, there's nothing to hide on. All right. Let me just see if you can log in. I can log in really. Okay, so now very simple. Let's look at the IB dashboard. All right. Okay. I asked everyone to move out of this really. Okay. So right now there's only one active client. One only. Okay. This guy never move out. Okay. So you can see total deposit is 91. Total. Okay. So this total deposit is how many people? Let me show you. Revenue statistic. All right. Now, if you look at this right now, these are the people who use Okta last time. You can see there's quite a lot, maybe like 30 plus of them. 30 plus of them. Okay. So 30 plus of them deposit a total of 91,000. 91,000, 30 people, 30 plus people, 91,000 deposit total. Okay. So now let's have a look at this. So right now, let's go and find that one person who is still active in Okta, which I don't know why he don't want to move, you know. So this person you can see right now, Marcus. Okay, Marcus, you can see slides. Marcus, all right. Okay, Marcus, how much balance right now, guys? How much? How much is this? Yes, correct. Okay, so $10,000 in December, almost $1 million in November. He is not the only one, I can tell you first. Okay, he didn't draw at all, no drawing out. Okay, and he didn't top out. I tell you, you can see the maximum withdrawal deposit is only 90,000, but now he have 900 over thousand. Okay, yes, in 11 months' time. Okay, so how much can you potentially make? Huh? Most people started with 1K to 3K lah. Okay, nobody straight away start 100K lah. All right. Okta have some issue, Ryan. The government does not approve the license. They remove the license. Yeah. So that's why I will suggest IC market is the best. Right. So how much can you make? Potentially 1 to 3K. All right. So most people slowly grow this to 100 to 500 a day. Okay, now guys, if you have no experience, I say 3 months. 3 months, you can hit 1 to 500 a day. If you're experienced, wow, I tell you, 1 month, max 2 months. In 1 month, if not max 2 months, you will hit 100 to 500 a day. All right. So what happened with 100 to 500 a day? Very simple. It's the hardest. The first 12 is the hardest. But the moment when you hit this figure, 1,000 to 3,000 a day is the easiest. Why? Because you just increase the lot size. That's all. Okay. You just increase the lot size and that's it. Okay, so not only that, we have a very helpful and fun, thriving community with so many students in the community right now. They're always helping each other. Now, let me log in live to show you the community. All right, so that you know that these are all real. It's not just screenshots. Okay, let me see. All right, over here. Okay, so if you look at this right now, okay, let me just adjust a bit. If you look at this right now, okay, so this is our results section now. Okay. All right. So if you look at this right now, Danny. Okay, Danny. All right. Let me see. Okay, Danny. All right. He doing about $182 today. So it's about 18%. He did 18. He started with only 1,000. 1,000. Okay, $1,000. So now he's 182%, 18%. Okay. So Mimi also same thing. She also do with 1,000. So she's like doing 100. She's doing about 13% today. 13% today. All right. Then a high, you can see over here. Wow, this one, how much? I think 3 over K, 3K plus. 3K plus today. All right, you can see today. All right. Then after that, these are today. All right. Now there we have a lot of chit chat going on now. Okay, this is today also this morning, maybe $152 for Danny. Then this is Vince. You can see the profit. Then this is Ivan as well. A very nice, wonderful dinner. I think this is a high-class dinner already. Then after that, we also have Ivan lunch money for yesterday. Then we also started incorporating options as well, which we will teach you for free if you join. Okay, this is May. How much is this? I think maybe also about 3,000 plus. Okay, for yesterday, May. Then after that, this is also same thing. Then these are the people winning and posting their winning every single day. Okay, this is also 10% a day. All right. Then after that, we have this Mas. About Mas is about $985 today. He's a Malay who's he worked in the school one. All right. Then after that, we have May about 2,000 today. So we have options about 71%. Then we have our coach Jonathan about $2,000 today. Yesterday, 10 November. We have James. We have also another options. Okay. Then after that, we have Danny. We have all these people making money. Okay. This is no joke. Okay. These are real life lock-in. Real life lock-in. You can see the amount of people succeeding, and they will be all here to help you as well. Not just me. All right. They'll be all here to help you in case you have any questions that you want to know, anything you don't know, you just ask in the group. Either me, my coach, or them will be there to assist you as well. We are a very fun and helpful and loving community. Let me tell you, trust me on that. The moment you come in, you can feel the love together with us. Okay? All right, so let me just go in. Now, so is trading risky and stressful? Is it risky or stressful? I make trading easier, to be honest. There are only 3 steps, but mostly just 2. Enter based on 4C, buy or short. Or now is based on they also are TTF as well. I'm coming to that in a short while. Then you also take profit, the middle band and outer band. Like if the trade goes against you, just apply RM. That's all. Okay, goes against you, just apply RM. Okay, all right. So now, when you know exactly what to do, trading is no longer risky. It's all about execution. Okay, it's all about executing the trade, and that's it. All right. Okay, so now you can finally stop wasting your time on what? Whatever business venture you want to start whatever network marketing program you want to join whatever e-commerce product you want to sell or dabble in what crypto and please go up or joining whatever investment scheme. We don't care about this. Anytime the market go up or down, we also make money. Right? Just focus on the TAD system and you'll save yourself a ton of money, stress, and time But if you're a slow learner or you're brand new to trading, you know what? Guys, can I know how many of you here are very new one? How many of you here? Can you go in and say me? Hmm? Okay, so it looks like quite a lot of people who are new lah. Okay, good. So here's the thing. If you're slow learner or new, you know what? I got you totally covered. I told you totally covered. So what we do every day, before you start trading, is I will share with you where the 4C will happen. Now, guys, imagine if you have a chart that tell you this. Okay, will you love something like this? That means that when the price go here, you do the 4C, then you short it. When the price go here, you apply 4C, you buy. When the price go here, you buy or you short. Or you come in, you go and short. Will it help you or not? Let me tell you. Will you love to have something like this or not? Right? So every day, we will post this and let you know what to do when the price reaches there. So that you no longer galangabo. What should I do? Right? So what we do is usually we will send this is called a game plan. So usually we'll send the game plan in around noon time. It will tell you exactly what to do when the price go here, when the price go there. You just practically follow the instructions only. That's all. Okay, why are we doing this? It's because I know some of you who are very new, you freeze at the chart. You look at the chart, you're like, actually, should I buy or should I sell? You don't even know after we train you, right? Or you have no confidence. You're like, I'm very scared. First time, I don't know whether should I enter or not. This is good for you. Third is you sometimes win, sometimes lose. Sometimes win, sometimes lose. So that's where we come in. Okay, so you stay consistent. Right? So that you have order, focus, and your daily win for you. Okay? All right. So taking a trade on your own without guidance, it's like sitting for an exam without studying. Yeah. So that's why your daily game plan is a cheat sheet the teacher allows you to bring to the exam. When price reach the zone, you just need to know exactly what to do. That's all. You already know whether is it A or B, or buy or sell, and that's it. No more guessing, no more stress. It's like bringing your answer to the exam paper. So honestly, this is what we want to avoid. All right. So it's like this is Ansu, right? She actually lost 20% capital. All right. And she said that she go and think why this happened. And then she said she never followed a game plan. And never go beyond 2% risk, and no discipline and no emotions. That's why I tell you the game plan is the game changer for you. Okay, the student admit that he let his emotion control him. As I always say, never follow instruction, no discipline, and letting emotion control you is a trader's biggest mistake. And for now, I want to provide you the solution by giving you the exact game plan. It's like every day you need to take exam. And before your exam, we'll give you the answer to bring to the table. Right? So if you follow a game plan, this is what our student achieve. Like this one, GP2, game plan 2 executed, right? Game plan executed, right? Game plan 1 executed, right? And game plan 2 executed, right? So these are, things that we want to do to help you. Okay? Casey, all right, I really feel sorry for you for losing the 40K. All right, what I can say is we will definitely do our best to help you. Okay, we'll definitely do our best to help you because, and as long as you have some experience in trading, like guys, let me know. It's very easy for us to unlock you one. Very, very easy one. Okay, I know learning something new takes time and experience. That's why by following a game plan, you can learn and earn at the same time. And you're never trading alone. This makes the journey easier and way more fun when we do it together in the community. Okay, so now let me show you this first. Let me highlight that you cannot join TAD because it's currently closed. You understand now, we don't open throughout the year like everyone else. Okay, every day I'll receive messages like this. Say, hey, I want to join, but you know what? I always tell them, sorry, we are closed. We cannot help you. So let me highlight this. We cannot do that. We have to reject them. All right. We only open on specific time. All right. Why we do that? Because TAD isn't like other trading program that opens every month. Every month, every week you can join one. Constantly taking in new customer for the sake of sales. We don't do that. When I do a new intake, my priority is very simple. I must make sure that the new member starts making money first before I open the next batch. Okay, I always do that. This ensure that you are fully supported, not just another number in the system now. Okay, when you join, you are not left alone to figure things out. You are part of a focus group where my team and I will guide you step by step to profitability. That's why TAD works. So right now to join TAD, you can join the international one. Okay, these are the prices, the international prices. Okay, you can join anytime online. Okay, you just need to get a call with a coach and you can pay and then you can join the international student. They are mostly from the Western country. And the price point are 6-month access is 6,000. 1 year access is 9,888. Full lifetime access is 19,000. And since there are, how many of you here right now? There are about 540 of you here. Okay, there's about 540 of you here. Right? And there are always a lot of people asking me about TAD. Let me just take a screenshot. Okay, so now here's the thing. All right, like these guys who really regret not joining, like this. All right, he said he missed the last webinar and now he's watching our TAD members making money every day. He can't help but wish that he can turn back the time. If he have enjoyed, he'll be successful by now lah. So don't be like him and regret later lah. Okay, there is a reason why you're in this webinar, and I want to make sure that you grab this chance lah. Okay, it's a fate for us to meet each other. Okay, so what I'm going to do is right now we're going to reopen our TAD founders. In Asia, we are called the TAD founders. Okay, so if you're from Asia, you get to join our Asian team founder community plus the mentorship. And here's what you will get. Okay, so here's the thing. We have a one-day workshop coming out on the 29th of November, Saturday. Okay, Saturday, whole day, Saturday. All right. So this is what you get. You get to join the TAD workshop. It's unlimited receipt, unlimited receipt. If you miss this, it's okay. We have the next one coming out, and we also have a lot of recordings as well. The recording for you to go through as well, the training as well, and we also have a TAD indicators for you, all right? And we have a TAD mentorship, and we have a TAD community. Right? We have a daily game plan. And every Saturday, we also have a live training as well. And we also have a live trade as well. All right. So that we can find whatever way we can cover to help you. We will help you. So this is basically everything you need to succeed in trading. In fact, the next few months, I even plan to organize more training for you to teach you new things. If you join the community, you talk to the members, you realize that they love TAD. Why? Because we always enhance and make trading easier. All right. And here's the thing, the reopening of TAD founders, okay, this is the price for international. I'm not going to waste time on the 6 month and the 1 year, okay, don't waste time on that, okay, because I know that you want this for life, okay. So I'm going to give you a backdoor access to join so that it makes things easier, but please don't tell my international student, okay. So you're going to receive every single help we can over the next few months to lifetime until you die or I die, okay. So the price for lifetime access will be only 9,998, okay. But here's the thing, I always like to work with committed people. I don't want people who are only half committed. If you have tried and failed before, let me tell you, this time, if you throw everything into this, I'm sure you will succeed with my guidance and my TAD community. Why? Because one day, you can almost make back this figure already. Okay? There are currently about, just now I say 540 people. So the first 18 people, 18 is a special number for me. Okay? I'm going to give you a special backdoor access to TAD. Okay? Very simple. All you need to do right now is just remove 3,000 and the price will only be US 6,998. Why US? Because we make US dollar every single day. Right? And I can tell you in a few months' time, 2 months' time, you can even make this amount every single day already. Yeah, you can make this amount every single day. We have already a number of people making this amount already every single day. So beside this, what I want you to do, hello guys, pay attention. Beside this, what I want you to do for you is this, very simple. I want to share something really interesting with you. Hello, listen. Before I come to a close, right? Is this now our upcoming products? In fact, we just launched this and it was a huge success. Okay, our TTF formula. Okay, it was a huge success. Okay, this itself can be a cost itself at $5,000 already. All right. So here's the thing. This is how it works. When the price starts moving and it keeps going in one direction, you just don't know where to enter. Am I right or not? Let me show you an example. Let's just say you look at this. This is gold when it was like a while ago, a few months ago. It just keep going in one direction. Let me ask you, when should you catch it? You don't know, ma. So you don't know when to enter because you are scared. Because when you enter, you're scared the price reverse. Have you got caught in this before? No, I'm pretty sure you have lah. That's why I created this new formula called TTF, Trend Following Method. You don't have to guess anymore. As long as there's two confluences that are met, and with this one special dot, you can enter a buy trade and then follow the wave up all the way. In fact, our community call this the magic dot. The magic dot. You understand? I show you some of you in this really, right? In the Telegram, I show you the magic dot before. All right. So here's hi. He says that this one magic dot does the magic. And this one dot makes him $10,000. $10,000. Just one dot. All right. And how about this? Sell. Same thing. Right? Just follow the magic dot. And that's it. Right? It will show you how to ride the wave safely. And when you let TTF do the work, Here's the result of our community lah. Like this also TTF, almost $1,000 US. And how about this 400 pits? This is a lot, no, 400 pits. All right. And how about this TTF as well, M3? And then how about this also TTF $5,000 over dollar? Okay. And this May, right? At first, she don't dare to trade gold. In fact, when she first joined in May, she's May, her name is May, she joined in May. All right. When she first joined in May, she only dared to trade currency pair because currency pair are more predictable. All right. And that's why she don't dare to do gold until she learned TTF. And when she start trading TTF, I tell you, crazy. She say her heartbeat like Ferrari. Why? Because when you ride the trend, it feels like you're in a highway in a Ferrari. As your profit increase, you know, how does it feel making like $5,000 in one trade? How will you feel? Every day, you know. In fact, we have a TTF training coming out next week. A comprehensive TTF training next week. Guys, if you join us tonight, I would like to invite you to come for the TTF training next week. Okay, just solely for you, sir. For you. Yeah, we can pay by USDT. All right. Okay. All right. So now this next thing is my stocks. Okay. I also want to create an indicator for you for the stocks. All right. As I said, you know, this is my strategy, my statistic. Let me see. Where's the statistic? This is my statistic for stocks. Okay. I really show you live here. All right. So it is 91 win, 5 BE, and 1 losses. Okay, I'm going to go through this in detail in a few months' time. All right. Then next one is volatility cost. I tell you, this is the most stupidest thing ever I created. All right. Any one of you here who have never made money in trading, you know what? Just do this. Do this. All right. All you need to do is follow the color. You know, volatility means what? Means when the price, okay, volatility means that when the market react very fast, okay, very fast, right? What we want to do is we want to leverage on this to make the money. So what you want to do is very simple. Follow the color. As long as it's red, you short. And of course, we take multiple position. We leverage down. We short. We buy. Just like that. Just follow the color. If you follow the color, I can tell you this is the result. 6 months, 100% return. 6 months, 100% return. In fact, I just make this even better. Okay. And I tell you, I can bet with you personally, okay, you can have 100% win rate. Right. And I just did 2 trades only and I got 100% return. And next month, December, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to organize a big volatility training. This is for people who have never ever win before. Come in here, I show you how to win 100% of the time. I know it's unbelievable. Even I am unbelievable. But I will show my statistics to show you live how I do it and how you can do it as well. Okay. All right. So volatility cost itself is already enough 5,000. All these things is already 15,000 together already. I can tell you. And you know what? You join TAD, you get every single training for free. All right. Do you think that's all we have? No, that's not all. Right. KC Lim, okay, 5,000 capital. This one you later talk to my team. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we have a few more indicator and software rolling up over the next few months, over the next year. And 2026 is going to be even more exciting. And we're going to pass this and give this to you. And join TAD, you know what? It's like you buy the iPhone 17, right? You enjoy it, you make money, you have fun. Then next year, when the iPhone 18 come out, you get every version for free. No upgrade fee, no hidden fee, no annual charges, no subscription, nothing. We keep improving the tools and you keep getting every upgrade forever. And that's why our student loves us so much here. And not just that, okay? Here's the thing. The 18 of you, I'm going to come to a close really. 18 of you here, a selected few of you will get this, all right? 18 of you only out of the 500 plus of you here. 3 things. Number 1, we have a weekly training so that you don't have to figure things out on alone anymore. Every Saturday, we have a training, morning, Zoom training. Don't care where you are, okay? We'll show you different subjects, different topics. We'll make sure we train you and work with you until you become an expert. If you feel that this training, right, you still feel that you are slow and you need more help, you know what? You'll get the schedule a one-to-one personal coaching with us, with my coach. If you are too shy to ask a question in the group, you know what? This is the best way to get help. And let's say even with the personal help for us, you still feel that you can't catch up. You know what? If after even this 2 of training, you still cannot, you know what? Come for the live trading session now. Really. Come for live training session. In the live training session where we say click, you click and buy and just click. When we say take profit, you take profit. When we say sell, you sell. Don't tell me you cannot even do this, right? Can, right? Can or not? And that's why we explain to you exactly how to enter the trade. So we have these three for the first 18 of you here. So no matter how lost you feel right now, we got your back covered with every single thing really. Whether you need weekly support, you need guidance, you need personal help, you need to trade, follow us live, you know what? There's a way to win for you. Definitely a way to win for you. Okay, you are not doing this alone, remember. You are walking this path with you step by step. And that's what makes TAD different. So other programs, I tell you, will they upsell you this or not? Let me ask you first. Will they upsell you the coaching or one-to-one coaching or not? Have not? They upsell you again and again and again, right? But in TAD, we don't do that. Everything is free. Right? You can see the genuine help that we want to do. So with these three powerful options, your chances of success are incredibly high because we build multiple safety net to support you. That's how I make trading work for you. Do you think this is helpful for you now? All right, guys. So as I mentioned, there are like 500 plus of you here, and only the first 18. That means that only like maybe 2%, 2%, 3% can enter and join TAD, and that's it. So I'm going to give you this and something special. Okay, how do you join TAD, founders? Very simple, guys. Okay, you can pay by credit card installment. Credit card, not installment. Credit card, payment by credit card. All right, payment by PayNow for Singaporeans. Okay, so now here's the thing. To join TAD, this is the link. Later, I'll post this link. Click this. Remember the first 18 only. So after you sign up, please let me know. So click on Go TAD. Under here, go to code, key in Go TAD. Small cap, big cap, doesn't matter. Okay. You can see 9998 become 6998, $3,000 off immediately. Okay, but only for the first 18 people. After you can go and key the credit card details and all that. Okay, so this is for the people who want to pay by credit card. If you want installment, you pay now. As in that you pay by credit card. Tomorrow you ask the bank, call the bank when the transaction is there, call the bank to tell them to convert this into installment. All right, I don't know what bank, different bank has small different charges. You can call the bank yourself. Okay, this is for credit card. And for those people, it's 6,998 US dollar, $998, which is about 9,100 Sing plus. Okay, 9,100 Sing plus. Okay, for those people who want to pay by PayNow, because we save on the credit card charges, all right, you only need to pay 8,998. Okay, 8,998 below 9,000, cheaper, slightly cheaper. Why? Because we save on the credit card charges. So what you want to do is very simple. You can scan the QR code, or you can put in our UEN number. After that, when you do the payment, please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Okay, please take a screenshot of this right now and WhatsApp us and pass the screenshot to us and give us your name, your email. All right. Don't just pay and then disappear. Some people pay and disappear. I also don't know how to find you. Okay, so do this. Okay, then after that, all right, these are the two things. Now, credit card. Okay, now for those people who need time to think, you need to raise funds, you need to consider, you need to ask your family member, you're waiting for your salary, you need to arrange your finance, your traveling, whatever excuse you have, then at least place a deposit first. Right, to secure your seat to lock in the price. If you don't pay a deposit now, the price will be $9,998 US dollar. Okay, all right. Okay, so let me continue first. For those who want to pay by USDT, please WhatsApp my team. We will give you the wallet. Okay, for the USDT. Okay, so let me summarize. Very simple. Choose one method. It's either you pay by credit card. So okay. Then you want installment, call the bank and convert to installment. Okay. Second is you pay in full. PayNow, we have a slight discount, 8,998, 8,998. Okay. Then after that, if you need time to think, if you want to pay by USDT, please WhatsApp my thing. Okay. The USDT is 6,998 USDT. For those who need to think, consider, at least please put in a deposit first, a $1,000 Singapore deposit first. All right. Okay. So after you finish the payment, everything, you WhatsApp us ready, or you have any question, feel free to WhatsApp us as well. Please give us some time to reply you because we are swarmed in message, at least 100 plus messages. But don't worry, we'll get back to you as soon as we can because your message matter to us. So hang on and give us a little patience while we go through every details. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. You get everything free. Wendy, no need to buy software. You get everything free. Okay. So now, guys, very simple. Let's just put in the code right now. For those who want to pay, my team, can you put in right now the link? Okay, for those who are paid by credit card, please key in the Zoom chat right now and pay by credit card. And then for those who want to pay by PayNow, please go and pay by PayNow by scanning the QR code. All right. And for those people who want to pay deposit, these are the deposit. Come to deposit shortly. Okay. For those who are paid by PayNow, please come and do the PayNow. And once you have finished payment ready, whether is it deposit or is it full payment, please come to the chat and let me know. Let me and my team know that you have already done. All right, guys. Okay. So I give you some time to do that. For those who have any question, who still have any question you want to ask, please feel free to ask me. Or if you have any question about payment or anything, you can also WhatsApp my team. Okay. You can also WhatsApp my team. All right. PayNow is for Singaporean only. Yes. All right. So for those who are paid by deposit, this is the deposit. Okay. MK, this one is already very good price already. Let me tell you first, MK. All right. Okay, so let me just on a little bit of music. Anyone have any question? You can feel free to ask me right now too. Stefan, we also have order block institutional training as well on a Saturday in one of our Saturday training lah. Okay, you can come and learn that as well. Okay. All right. So once you sign up, guys, please let me know. Please go to the chat. Let me know. All right. The training is all online because we are students from all over the place. Okay. Yes, MK. All right. As long as you pay the deposit, you will secure at the cheapest price. Okay. All right. So this is PayNow. PayNow here. All right. This is the PayNow. Francis, welcome, Francis. All right. Okay. Looks like we have a number of people here. We have let me see, what's your name? Kelvin. Yeah. Deposit. Carol, you want to pay by what? PayNow or credit card? Deposit is here. Okay. Later that I explain Tommy. Okay, let me just finish this. The trading is 1 week maybe 2 times. I'm sorry, 1 month maybe 2 times. Awesome. Okay, 1 month about 2 times. Monthly subscription, guys, please call your bank. Please call your bank. Okay. Monthly, it mean money installment, please call your bank. Yes, we trade BTC as well. We are working on that, Godwin. We are working on that. But we only apply, but even when we launch, we only launch to our student only. Everything we launch to our student. We don't launch to the public one. Okay, we don't launch to the public. All right. Zev, thank you. Scroll up. Is it this one? Or is it this one? Okay, let me just the credit card. Let me just put in here again. Okay, credit card. Okay, so credit card you have. So for PayNow, this is PayNow. For those who want to do PayNow. Okay, for those who want to do PayNow. Yes. This who Raymond, yes. Trend continuation, you use SNR on trend line. You use SNR on trend line. You don't use a crossover. Yeah. So for TTF, the RSI is also part of the conference, Raymond. Yes, Carol. We have already set of chart or what to enter, which one to go into, Carol. Okay, we have already set a watch list for you already. Yes, Wendy, this is all for trading. It's mostly for trading, Wendy. You see the results that we have, they are all mostly for trading one. The indicator. Okay, anyone have any issue, please message my team. Please message my team. All right. So the indicator, everything else will be installed in your trading view. In your trading view, not our trading view. All right, in your trading view. All right. Let me see. What is the period of the MA for 14, Chris? Okay, so let me show you our community again lah. Okay, if you look at it. Grace will help you, Grace. If you don't know how to do installation, all these things, don't worry. My team will help you. Trading view is free, but because we have a number of indicator we have prepared for you. So you go for the lowest plan lah. Go for the lowest plan. Go for the lowest plan. You look at this, look at our community, you see. This is where I'll invite you to come in lah, like these are the results, people. I'm really proud, like my first trading result for the 24-hour of live trading, 24-hour of live trading, already make 1,008 already, The first time after mastering in what demo, right? This Tetra, I don't know, girl or guy, decided to go live, and then you see, deposit 1,000, make 1,008. How is it possible with other instruments? Only Forex you can do that, right? And how about this? This one is a $300 over dollar. This is who? This is Herma Pillai. Okay, this Indian, all right. Look at Vince also, you see. All the very good, all these are 1,007, 1,006. You see, fantastic. I tell you, making thousands of dollars, let me tell you first, you will definitely appreciate it a lot more when you start making thousands of dollars every single day. Like all these people, you can see every day they post their earning results. This is basically to motivate you, not to compare, but to motivate you and show you that it can be done. You look at this. How much is this? I think a 10K, I think 8K in one day. Right not? Impossible, unbelievable. That is the reason why I love Forex so much. Okay. You don't need a lot of money. A few $1,000s is enough to make all this money, like you can see. All right. Okay. Wow. Damn good, man. Let me tell you first. And they'll all be here to guide you as well. They'll all be here to guide you as well. Not just me. Okay, but them as well. Okay. Okay, let me see. Remember to let us know when you sign up. Or William, thank you. Welcome, William. All right. Okay. What's the minimum capital? Is 1,000, Irene. To start the 1,000 the minimum. Okay, Mark. Thank you, Mark. Thanks for coming, Mark. All right. Okay, Jeff, we'll check. We'll check now, Jeff. Okay, my team will be checking. Guys, if you message us, please give us some time, okay? Because we always be swarmed with a lot of messages. Jen, welcome, Jen. Okay. Anyway, this is the last training for now. We have no plan for have not planned anything for next year yet, just to let you guys know first. Okay, we haven't planned anything for next year yet, okay. So that's why if you join now, by next time when we open, I tell you, you will already be making money already, okay. And I hope that by Chinese New Year next year, you should be making quite good money, and hopefully you can tell your friends or family, then they can come and join together as well. In fact, we have a lot of couple friends who join, also couple, spouse, family member, brother, sister, come and join as well. Yeah. Okay, Jen, welcome. Okay. What trading platform? Okay, I use TradingView to see the chart. All right. Then I use MT5 to do the trade. Okay, Joe. Okay, Joe, we are checking out Joe. Okay, Joe. Z, welcome, Z. All right. Okay, Z, thank you so much. Next Thursday, we have a TTF training. Please come for the training. Okay, Z. All right. So I see you next week, Z. My team will contact you guys. Okay. Once you're done the payment, my team will contact you guys. Please be patient and wait for us. Okay. Okay, Chris, there are different strategy. Okay, if you want 100% win rate, you go for stocks, you go for VIX, 100%. Or very high, very high. Okay, 95%. If you go Forex, it's about 80 to 85%. Okay, Forex. Okay. MT5, okay, we use our broker, we use IC Market. William, for the trading view, use the lowest one, the lowest plan. For now, use the lowest plan because every year they have a promotion. All right. So use the lowest plan. Okay. Then when promotion, then you upgrade. Then you have huge discount. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see. Oh, okay, let me see. IC market is actually very good, quite reputable in the market. Let me tell you first. Stocks we use are H4, Chris. Stocks we use H4. Lower spread about $20 lah. 10 plus $20, awesome, very cheap lah. Okay. The lowest one, I think $10, $20, very cheap one a month. All right. Okay, Alan, welcome, Alan. All right. Anyone who signed already, let me know. All right, let me see. All right. And if you have any question, also let me know. All right. Okay, this is the deposit. All right, this is the deposit. Okay, Chanley, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you, Chanley. Carol, welcome, Carol. Welcome. Okay, Carol. For those who pay by credit card, my team will contact you. If you pay by PayNow or deposit or crypto, then my team, then please message my team. Okay. You mean the recording for the 1-day class? Is it that? Are you talking about that? When you join, we straight away give you the 1-day class already. Okay, in fact, let me tell you, we have a lot of students who even before they join the 1-day class, they already start making money already. Let me tell you, I'm super impressed. Why? Because I really break trading down into very, very easy steps. Let me tell you first, guys, really, really. I make it so simple and easy that anyone can do it. Okay. My team will give you we need to onboard you first, Jeff. Okay, we need to do onboarding. We need to tell you about the indicator, the installation, all these things. Then we show you the recording. Okay. Which platform you're using, Brandy? Wow, I think tomorrow I got no voice already. CMC. I'm also using CMC. I use CMC to trade stocks. CMC is not very good for Forex, guys. Let me tell you first. CMC is very good for stocks. So you use CMC for stocks, it's okay. Okay, Hui Si, looking forward to seeing you as well. Okay, thank you for coming and thank you for your trust. All right. Yeah, I use MetaFi. I use MT5. Okay. Carol, if you guys want to trade stocks, you can use whatever platform you want. But if you want to trade Forex, I suggest IC Market. When you finish payment, next few days, when we do onboarding, we will let you know everything. Okay, we'll even give you the link and everything else. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, guys, just go and have a good rest tonight. My team will contact you. Thank you, Irene. Thank you for coming, Irene. Wendy, okay. Wendy, the things that you use are very old school. The words you use are all very old school. That's what I used when I was in 20 years old as well, poems. Okay. I'm surprised people are still using poems. So there's so many good ones nowadays. Okay. But it doesn't matter. If you're using stocks, then poem will do as well. DBS, everything also can. CMC also can, no problem. Okay, let me see. All right. Do you have any questions? Just let me know. Okay, yeah, Farid. Hey, Farid, it's like I see you in every webinar? It's like I see you in every webinar like that, right? Wow. Okay, Farid, let me answer a question. Yeah, you can WhatsApp us. If you have any question, please WhatsApp us. Zev, please don't put your number here. Please WhatsApp us because it's easier for you to WhatsApp us to get back to you. Okay? Because my team now is all looking at the WhatsApp. Okay? Yeah. Anyone have any question, you can WhatsApp, no problem. Okay, Farid. Okay, now let me answer you. Number one, the AVSN now zone, you draw a H4. If the H4 is not clear, you go to H1. Okay? Number two, what time frame to use SNR for scalping? We still use the same zone for scalping. Okay, we still use the same zone because the zones are the most powerful one. It's just that the method. Okay, you use either TTF or you use 4C, but the zones are the same. It's still H1 or H4. How do we know which stocks to monitor? We don't enter a lot every day. All right. Yeah, I have actually someone working for me, one of my staff, who help me scan all the stocks on. And after you scan the stocks, that's where I give you the stocks. So that you can just, all you need to do is just enter. That's it. Very simple. Okay. How do you know which stocks to monitor? Number 4. I can't connect trainer. Yeah. We can connect. Why can't you connect? I don't understand. Okay. Anyway, we have training to help you every Saturday, or even the Telegram. You can ask us in the Telegram. Okay. Wendy, you must at least pay the deposit first. Okay. Only when you pay the deposit, then we can lock you the price. If not, then everyone out today never pay the deposit. Sorry, we cannot get you the discounted price. Okay. It has to be today. At least a deposit 1,000 at least. Okay. Yes. Judy, wow, your name so hard to pronounce. Julia Tier. The RSI, yeah, it's 14. All is 14. Right. Yeah, Gavin, it's okay. My team will contact you for the balance. Okay. The 1 day class is on the 23rd. 23rd. Let me see.
It's 29 November.
Huh?
29.
Okay, the 1 day class is on the 23rd. Sorry, 29 November, Saturday. But next Thursday, we have a special training, TDF training for you, for those who are new. Okay, next Thursday. If you cannot make it, we will still cover it on the 29th again. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Oh, yes, Raymond. Yes. As long as it's higher time frame, it's okay, Raymond. That's why just now I got show, I got show either H4 or daily. Okay, Raymond. Jeff, yes, Jeff, it will be recorded. In fact, we will show you the last workshop recording really, the moment when you join. For those who cannot join on the 29th, don't worry, we have recording for you. And not only that, we have weekly training for you. And not only that, you have unlimited receipt for next year's training. Okay. Next Thursday is 8 p.m. Next Thursday is 8 p.m., guys. Okay, next Thursday is 8 p.m. You see now, go. Go is coming down, guys. Okay. Finally. Okay. So go is now coming down. This is our TP1, this is our TP2. All right. So right now, what we want to do is we wait for it to reverse. There will be a buy arrow here. Then when the RSI crossover, then we enter the trade. Here. Then with TP1, TP2. I tell you, everything is already pre-planned already. Let me tell you, you don't even need to guess, right? So we just wait for this to happen now. Unless it break out of the zone. Unless it break out of the zone, then it will be a different thing really. We focus on sell here. Okay? If not right now, our focus is on buy at the moment. Okay, but unless it break out, then we focus on sell. All right? So this is how it works most of the time now. And that's why every day we'll tell you exactly what to look out for. Okay. Hey, Puiwan, thank you. Look forward to seeing you. The one-to-one mentorship, right now, we don't have a cap. Awesome. Okay. When you need help, you let us know. Or we will also do a small group training, like maybe 3 to 5 people. We also do a small group training as well. Genevieve, yes. Genevieve, yes, most of the time is Saturday lah. There are times that it's a weekdays night as well, because we know not everyone is free on every Saturday lah. Yeah, so sometimes it'll be a weekdays night as well. Why my RSI got 2 line? You mean this one? You never attend the training just now, is it, James? One is the RSI, the purple is the RSI, the orange is the MA, the moving average of the RSI. Okay, so now you see the buy is quite strong. Let's just see how it goes on later. Let's just see how it goes later. Okay. Farid, it's the same thing, ma. You can okay, Farid. Okay, depend on the time frame you are trading lah. The zone always have to be H1 or H4, the zone. But if you want to trade M5, then you draw the RSI or M5. If you want to trade M15, then you draw the RSI or M15. Once you're done payment already, that's all for tonight already. My team will contact you over the next 2 days to do the onboarding for you. Okay, guys? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for coming. For those who have already signed up, okay? MT5 is okay. MT5 is okay. MT5 is okay. That's what we do. Awesome. I look at TradingView. I look at the TradingView. Okay. Then I use my phone to trade. Yeah. You see, guys, the buy is coming up already. All right. Then if another green bar, another 2 more green bar, we can enter buy already. Okay. Okay. See you at the top, Ng Chi. Okay. See you at the top. You see, it's almost quite predictable one. You see, especially when it's sideways, I tell you lah, ayo, 包价, you don't understand or not? All right. Thank you, Zeph. See you on next week. Okay, let me see first. Okay, anyone have any question? Let me know. We still have about 10 minutes before I go. I think tomorrow I definitely no voice really. Yeah. Tomorrow I go and buy some honey water, some medicine to go and eat. Okay, Gavin. Once we onboard you, we can start already, Gavin. Okay, Hui see you next week. Grace, thank you so much, Grace. No more free really, Bobby. Just now I already say already. I give you everything. You buy iPhone today, I give you new iPhone every year. I give you new iPhone every year. Okay, good. Okay, let me see. Okay, Aaron, I tell you what, Aaron, you message my team. Message my team. Tell them about your situation. Aaron, message my team. We are working on the stock scanner. We have not launched it yet, Chris. Okay, but whenever I see a new a good opportunity, I'll let you know. I will post in the Telegram. Okay, I'll post in the Telegram. All right. Yeah, crossover soon already. Okay. When it crossover, then we buy lo. Okay. But must wait for confirmation now. Yeah. Okay, Muhammad Faris, please message my team. Message anything, please message them and tell them your situation. Okay, then we try and see we can work something out lah. Okay. Yes, it's based on the ATR. Raymond, it's based on ATR. The parameter band is based on ATR. Okay, anyone have any questions? Please WhatsApp us. We'll WhatsApp us here. Please WhatsApp us. Okay, tell us your situation. All right. Then we'll do our best to help you lah. I can't remember. I need to go and see lah. Raymond, I cannot remember offhand right now lah. No problem, Gavin. We will In the onboarding document, we'll put everything inside. Okay, I mean, okay, we put everything inside. So you just do it, go through a document can already. Okay, don't have to worry about anything. Everything is covered for you. All right. Everything is covered for you. All right. So for those experienced trader, all right, whenever we receive a game plan, right? So wherever we receive a game plan, for those who are experienced, you can even go as low as 1 minute. I tell you, you can even go as low as 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute to trade lah. You know, yeah. If you go 1 minute, you can see this is the enter. This is the entry. Okay, you can see this is the entry. Okay, so if you enter here, right, this is where you enter. You can see right now you already do $800 already. Okay, $800 already. All right, this is for those with some experience. Okay, with experience, we'll say you can trade 1 minute. All right, but you have to follow the game plan exactly. Please don't trade on yourself. Follow the game plan exactly. All right, you can see straight away $800 already. Okay, all right. Hey, see, we are working on that right now, but this one need time to back test, need time to do it lah. Okay, hey, see, let me tell you guys, one thing is this, a lot of people always have the conception that the thinking that, oh, if I have if I do if I can do like AI software, robots and all these things, I can make a lot of money. Let me tell you one thing is I know many friends who are bot creator, who are EA creator, who are quant creator. Let me tell you, I have many friends. But I can tell you one thing is they all agree on one thing is that EA bots and all that can never have huge returns on. Maximum they can do is maybe 100% a year. Maximum, right? But manual trading, you can do 100% a month. A month. Let me tell you first. And we have a student called Andy. Okay, I'll introduce him to you. He's called a flipper. 1K become 3K, 3K become 10K. He always like to flip account. I tell you. And only when you do manual training, you can do that. Okay, AI, EA, all these things can never do that one for you. Okay, so that's why it is a skill you must learn. And once you learn this skill, it is unreplaceable. Let me tell you first. Okay, unreplaceable. All right. So go and learn through this first. We'll be here to help you. All right. Okay, another 5 more minutes and we are done because I think my throat cannot make it really. Okay, 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. All right, 5 more minutes. Let me see. Ben. Well, there is always a way, some way to start lah, Ben. Am I right? Definitely, you need to start somewhere lah. If you don't start now, you will never start lah. You know, we always have a lot of people who are new as well. All right. So don't worry, we are always there to guide you and help you. The members are always there as well to answer every questions that you have lah. What we do is definitely there's enough training to help you. It's whether how much you want to help yourself, and that's all. All right, Ben. All right. You need to start somewhere lah. Okay. And definitely, I think TAD is a very good place for you to start. Okay, Kevin, see you. See you next week. Let me see. 17. So anyone, any more last question? Please let me know. Okay, Mark, look forward to see you. Jeff, once you join, we'll let you know the group lah. Don't worry about that. Okay. All right. Anyone, any more last questions? You see? You take profit already. Take profit already, then you plunge. Right not? Right? Okay, so gold is bearish, I tell you, gold is bearish. But for those for those who trade M5, you see, don't never even enter yet. Okay, never even enter yet. So that's why trading the time is quite important. Okay. Never even enter yet. All right. So and most probably it's going to bearish. We're going to focus on sell already. Okay, we're going to focus on sell. So someone say coin, is it? Let's have a look at coin. Hmm. It's a bit laggy, this trading view. I think too many people using today. Wow, go plunge, go. Wow, all plunge today. Let me see. Let me give you my point of view. Very slow the loading. Okay, let me see. Nothing yet lah, nothing yet. All right. Let's go to H4. I mean, right now, this is the yeah. So right now, this is a support lah, support lah. Okay lah, can buy lah, Yeah, this is support. Let me draw the zone first. Okay, you can see this is support, right? Yeah, very clearly this is support lah. Okay, so if it breaks, depending on your investing, or are you investing or trading? So if you are investing, all right, so these are the places that you buy. Okay, but I don't think it will drop so much lah. Okay, but I will just lay out first lah. Okay, so these are the places that we buy. All right, so these are the places. So what you want to do is break your money, all right, into maybe 2 or 3. Okay, so first layer you buy is here. All right, or what you can do is you wait for the RSI cross. So to double confirm, you can wait for the RSI crossover up, then you enter a buy. Okay, but usually when you enter a buy, the price will be slightly here lah. Oh, okay. But if you don't want to see the chart or anything, then you just buy here. Then Q order buy here. Then Q order buy here. Okay, I doubt it will go out so low lah, but at least these are the two places lah. Okay, yeah. Then if you want to trade, then you just wait lor. If you want to trade, then you just wait. Wait for the crossover to happen. Okay, wait for this to happen because now it's already at the bottom already. Okay, so when it cross up, that means price is going up lah. High chance is going up. Okay, but if you drop here, then this is also a very good chance to enter because it's out of the band. Confirm from here you'll go up. Okay, okay, Jen. Okay, Raja, it's okay. Next time, okay. Andy also is okay. Okay, Richard, see you, Richard. Go support, Let me see. What is go support? Okay, so go support is here. 415, 4156, this area, this zone. It will drop to this zone. Okay. Let me see H1 first. Let me see H1 first. Yeah, same. 4156 area. If you break this zone, if you break this current zone, it will drop back to here. At least here. Because this is the resistance. Okay. Resistance. And just nice, you see, it's at the lower band. Just nice at the lower band. Okay, so there's a few confluence. Okay. So this is the resistance becomes support. It will drop here. Okay, it will drop here. Drop to around here. Okay. Ethereum. Let me have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum. Okay, last chart. Last chart. Thank you, Josephine. Thank you so much for your kindness. Okay, so Ethereum right now. You can see this is the zone. Okay, this is the zone. You can see, right? AV, AV, AV. All right, it hit the zone, went up. All right. Then this is the next one. This is also another zone right now. Okay. So after that, this is another zone. Okay. So if you talk about long term, this is the zone. Okay. If you talk about long term, uptrend, this one have to break. Okay, have to break this. All right, you have to break this. So what happened is this. It's only a matter of time, let me tell you first. We will know how long. It's a matter of time. Okay, so right now you can see there's one touch, two touch. It has to go three touch, maybe drop a bit, then fourth touch, then you break. Okay, three touch, fourth touch. So most probably another 1 month or two lah. Okay, 1 month or two. Right, but definitely it will break. It just went only. But because this is a setup already. This is a setup. Okay, this is a setup. Okay, this is a setup. You can see it's a setup. Okay, it's a channel setup. Channel setup is always bullish one. Okay, you can see. Descending channel pattern. There you see. Oh, it's a descending channel pattern. Okay, so it's a matter of time it breaks out lah. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, please go and message my team, WhatsApp my team. Patrick, okay, thank you so much. Okay, please WhatsApp my team if you have any question or anything you want to ask. Okay, WhatsApp us is the best. Okay, then please wait for my team to reply you. Okay. All right, because we are swamped in message right now. And I will leave this chat open for another 10 more minutes. All right, before my team will lock off lah. Okay. All right. So that's all for me for today. Thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next training. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll leave this on for another 10 more minutes. All right. Thank you.